Hi, my name is Taylor, and today I'm going to be showing you how to open a Dwolla account on TenantCloud to use TC payments powered by Dwolla. The first thing to know is that in order to use TC payments powered by Dwolla, you must first be verified with TenantCloud and be subscribed to the starter plan or higher. Please note that the verification with TenantCloud and the verification with Dwolla are two different verification processes. To get started, log into your TenantCloud account and click on Settings in the upper right corner. Next, click Online Payments. From here, select Set Up in the Dwolla section. If you have not verified your account with TenantCloud, this button will say Verify, which will take you to the TenantCloud verification page. Since we have already verified our account, we can click Set Up. On this page, you will need to select between a personal or business account. For this video, we will be selecting the business account. When selecting the business account option, it is important to note that you will be allowed to only enter one EIN per Dwolla account. If you have each property under a different entity with separate EINs, you will want to create an owner account for each one of those entities, where you will then be able to create a Dwolla account for each separate business under those owner profiles. When setting up your account this way, you will then do owner distributions to each one of those entities where the funds will be reported separately to the individual EIN. For this example, we will only be using one EIN for the account. You will need to enter the information for the administrator. Please know that the account administrator is the name of the person that is setting up the Dwolla account. Next, you will need to enter the business information. If you are operating as a DBA, you will need to fill out the preferred name. Once you have filled in the preferred name, you will then be asked to upload a DBA document during the documentation stage. If you do not have a DBA, do not enter anything in the preferred name field. When entering the business address, it is important to note that Dwolla does not accept PO boxes as an address. You will need to enter the physical address of the business. Next, you will need to enter the information for the business controller. If the account admin is the same as the business controller, you can re-enter your information here. If the business controller is different than the account admin, you will need to make sure that you have provided the correct information. Next, agree to the terms and services and select Create Account. There are times that Dwolla is unable to verify the account based solely on the information that is provided and may ask for you to upload documents. If you have your account set up as a personal account, Dwolla will ask for a picture of your ID, license, or passport to be uploaded. If you have created a business account, you will want to upload one of the following business documents: a filed and stamped article of organization or incorporation, a sales or use tax license, a business license, or a certificate of good standing. Once you have uploaded the requested documents, Dwolla will then review the documents for approval. The final step is to verify any beneficial owners. A beneficial owner is any person who directly or indirectly owns 25% or more equity interest of the company. If the beneficial owner has not been verified or completed, you may not be able to transfer funds to your bank or pay invoices through the system. And that's how easy it is to set up your TC Payments powered by Dwolla account in TenantCloud. To start managing your rental properties for free, just go to www.tenantcloud.com or click the link below in the description and sign up today.